Hi everyone and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's make a pretend play doll and learn some tricks about your hair. You need to get cardboard paper, pencil, scissors, hole puncher, yarn, markers or crayons. You can get something round to make the face of your doll, or your parents can help you make it look like mine. Let's watch it come to life. Next, take your scissors and cut the outline of its face. Let's make some holes using a hole puncher now. Take your yarn and make the length that you want. Cut as many pieces as you can. Can you watch me how I thread it and then copy me? Now that we're finished, let's see what we can do with it. We can brush it. We can part it. We can tie it. We can braid it. We can style it. We can make a ponytail. We can clip it. And we can cut it. This was so much fun! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a motorcycle. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you next time. Bye!